guys, welcome back to my bird's nest. As you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be trying the wet look on my type 4 short natural hair. So before this video gets started, I do want to let you guys know that this hair is not washed. It hasn't been washed. I don't plan on washing it. With that being said, that means it also isn't detangled, so I am going to detangle as I go. So another disclaimer, there's a lot of disclaimers in this video. Sorry about it. But my hair is heat damaged, as you can see. Not a lot of it, but some of it is. So some hairs won't curl as much as others. Some probably won't curl at all because as much product as I'm putting in there. So just keep that in mind. First, we're going to start off with spraying each section with water. So next, we're going to go in with this conditioner and detangle each section. What I'm going to use to detangle is this thinning brush. I have gone through and taken out each other row so it wouldn't be so much as defining my curls other than detangling. Last but not least, we're going to go in with this Girls with Curls jelly as my gel. Now we're going to go in and blow out the products in the section. It's not your everyday slick back because again my hair is short, layered, and heat damaged.